Hey everyone, if you want to remove backgrounds from images using remove.bg in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to remove backgrounds in seconds using AI. Remove.bg is an AI tool that automatically detects the subject of an image and removes the background instantly. Remove.bg saves time, requires no editing skills, and helps you create professional-looking images quickly. Start by opening the Remove.bg website in your browser. Click Upload and select the image you want to edit from your device. Once uploaded, remove.bg will automatically process the image and remove the background in seconds. Click the Download button to save your image with a transparent background. If needed, you can replace the background or make small adjustments using editing tools. Remove.bg can be used for thumbnails, product listings, profile pictures, and marketing designs. The free version allows basic background removal, but high-resolution downloads may require credits. You can also use Remove.bg on mobile for quick background removal on the go. For best results, use high-quality images with clear subjects and good lighting. A common mistake is uploading low-quality or blurry images, which reduces accuracy. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove backgrounds with Remove.bg in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.